Welcome to all of you, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, BTech third semester, Advanced Engineering Mathematics first. Introduction to Engineering Mathematics by Department of Mathematics, JIT Jodhpur. What is mathematics? Mathematics is the science that deals with the logic of shape, quantity, and arrangement. Maths is all around us in everything we do. It is building block for everything in our daily lives, including mobile device, architecture, art, money, engineering, and even sport. Scheme of your BTech third semester. Schedule per week 3 lecture and 1 tutorial. Exam time is 3 hour and maximum marks 150, 30 marks out of 30 marks from midterm and 120 from end term. What is syllabus of your advanced engineering mathematics? Unit first is numerical method first. In this, finite difference, relation between operators, interpolation using Newton forward and backward difference formula, Gauss forward and backward interpolation formula, Stirling's formula, interpolation with unequal interval, Newton's divided difference and Lagrange formula, numerical differentiation, numerical integration, trapezoidal rule and Simpson 1/3 and 3/8 rule. Unit number second, numerical method second. In this, numerical solution of ordinary differential equation as Taylor series, Euler and modified Euler method, Runge-Kutta method of fourth order for solving first and second order equation, Milnes and Adams predictor character method, solution of polynomial and transcendental equation, bisection method, Newton-Raphson method and regular falsi method. Now unit third, Laplace transform. In this, definition and existence of Laplace transform, properties of Laplace transform and formula, unit step function, Dirac delta function, Heaviside function, Laplace transform of periodic function. Finding inverse Laplace transform by difference method, convolution theorem, evaluation of integral by Laplace transform, solving ordinary differential equation by Laplace transform method. Now unit 4. Unit 4 is Fourier transform. In this, Fourier complex sine and cosine transform, properties and formula, inverse Fourier transform, convolution theorem, application of Fourier transform to partial ordinary differential equation, and last unit 5, Z transform. In this, definition, properties and formula, convolution theorem, inverse Z transform, application of Z transform to difference equation. Now, what is numerical method? A numerical method is mathematical tool designed to solve numerical problem. They are proficient to handling large system of equations, non-linearities and complicated geometry that are not uncommon in engineering and that are often impossible or hard to solve analytically. In short, numerical method will help you handle complex problem so easier using basic arithmetic problem. Now, what is application of a numerical method? First application, scientific computing, use of finding multidimensional roots, heat equation, crime detection, modeling of aeroplane, estimation of ocean current, weather forecasting, network simulation, train and traffic signal, game engines and filter of noise data based on approximately. Now, what is Laplace transform? In mathematics, the Laplace transform named after the inventor Pierre Simon Laplace is an integral transform that converts a function of a real variable to a function of complex variable. The transform has many applications in science and engineering because it is a tool for solving differential equation. And what is application of Laplace transform? These are many. There are many applications of Laplace transform. First, system modeling, analysis of electrical circuit, analysis of electronic circuits, digital signal processing, and process control. Suggested readings, text or reference book. These are text or reference book to suggested reading. These also text or reference books for you. And what is a course outcome? At the end of the course, you will be able to, in unit first, you will be able to evaluate and derive at a value using an approximate numerical method and calculate a definite integral using an approximate numerical method. In unit second, you will be able to solve an algebraic or transcendental equation using an appropriate numerical method and will be able to solve differential equation using an appropriate numerical method. In unit third, you will be able to solve ordinary and partial differential equation having constant coefficient with special reference to solve two wave equation using Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform with their simple properties. In unit 4, you will be able to find Fourier transform, complex form of Fourier transform, and apply them to solve partial differential equation. And last, unit 5, you will be able to find a transform with its region of convergence. Further develop their skill to solve difference equation using that transform. Thanks to all of you.